At Wren Design, we make lifestyle accessories. In 2008, I was driving behind a truck and I saw the PPC cement bag and I thought, oh, their branding is pretty cool. I'd love a bag out of that. So I managed to get hold of one of those bags and I bonded it to fabric, took it to my sewing machine and stitched up a laptop bag. We take paper that has a bit of a stretch in it and it's a super strong paper. We fuse it to a fabric and that fabric has a grain which allows us to stitch it without it tearing. We spray it with nano liquid glass which makes it water resistant, and at the end of the day you'll have a durable, sustainable product that we guarantee for 2 years. We have quite an interesting business model in that we have people at a studio here who work with prepping and packing, and then the making is done at the makers' homes, which is great for them because they can spend more time with their families. We have a shop at the waterfront, we have our studio shop over here, we do a great deal of export, we do a corporate and custom development, and then we also have our online store. So COVID of course knocked us all right at the park, and big surprise. It became my challenge to make sure that everybody was still being paid and somehow we were going to get through this. So very quickly we pivoted to making masks out of paper and we coated it with nano silver, which means that the bacteria that falls on it dies. People are looking for the more sustainable local option, not just something that came straight out of factory. We are in the process of being verified as a B Corporation company, and that is an accreditation that puts people, planet and profit first.